Yo, check this out. 8-pounder, or maybe 9 something. Look how big this fish is. Oh, shit, it has like a big old scar on it. Big old fish, dude. Look at this belly. Look at that. Look at that mouth. You could fist it. Look at it. If your fist could fit in the mouth, it's a big fish. Look at that fish. Oh my God. Get the digi. Sick ass fish. Look at this thing. It's monstrous. 8-pounder at least. There it is. 8 pounds, 15. It's such a nice fish. It's a big one. 9-pounder about. Yep. I know you guys can see that. God, this fish is getting heavy. I'm gonna let her go. Such a nice fish. Oh my God. This is one of the biggest fish that I've caught in this summer. It's not the biggest. The biggest this summer was 10.5. This one's pretty close though. One more little view. Check it out. 9-pounder, dude. Is that a nice fish or what? Look at that mouth. Could fit the camera inside of it. Camera is inside of the mouth. Yeah. Sick. 9-pounder. I'm about to get some pics and let her go. So, see you guys later. Peace. 4th fish of the day. 6 pounds, 7 ounces. Nice fish. Yeah. That's right. 6 pounds, 8 ounces. Here it goes. Back in the wild. There she goes.